Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the most frustrating parts of car repairs? Delays in getting parts. Waiting weeks for a single component can hold up your life, but at Arts, we source parts quickly to get your car back fast. Let me tell you about Nicole, a local librarian who came to us last month. Her 2018 Nissan Rogue had a dented front fender after a parking lot mishap. Nicole was worried about parts delays, having heard horror stories from other shops. We tapped into our strong supplier network, secured the right parts in days, and repaired her Rogue with top quality work. Nicole said, "Arts got the parts so fast, my car was ready in no time." Here's how we do it. We maintain close relationships with trusted suppliers to ensure quick parts delivery. Our efficient process minimizes downtime, so your repair stays on track. From minor fixes to collision work, our Pomona team keeps things moving. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're committed to fast repairs without the wait. Need a shop that doesn't let parts delays slow you down? Stop by or call for a free estimate today. As Art likes to say, quality is not expensive, it's priceless. And at Arts, it's exactly that. Not expensive and priceless. Ready for repairs without parts delays? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint. Fast parts, quality fixes, priceless results.